So besides images, you can also embed video and audio into your web page. So for example, you would write it something like this: video, width, height, and then you would have these various aspects of them. Okay, but what I would suggest is not doing that. Generally speaking, you do not want to embed video directly into your web page. There's a lot of different reasons for that. One is when you do get a website, you're only given so much space. So obviously, videos is a much larger file. So that's generally it's just going to take up a lot of what you have. There's also other issues where if people are viewing your video in your web page, you have to worry about is it too large of a file? Is it compressed well? Will it play on every type of device? There's all these other different. Are the controls good? Because you'd have to format the controls. You don't want to use the generic controls that are built into the web browser. So there's all sorts of different reasons why I would say generally you should not embed video onto your site. Okay. Instead, what you'd want to do is you would use YouTube or Vimeo or another source, and they have built-in tools that will allow you to. They'll create iframes that you can basically put into your website, and then those will then be linked instead. So even the videos you're watching now, these are not hosted on my page. These are actually just YouTube videos. You probably already noticed that I just embed in or it's just linked to YouTube from there. So that's my suggestion. So even though I'm showing you it here, just don't do it. There are reasons why you would want to do that. If you're worried about copyright and having things readily available and people stealing stuff on YouTube, that's legitimate. So like if you have your demo reel or something, you might not want to. Also, sometimes people use videos for like background elements and things like that. But most of the time, unless the video is very specifically like needs to be a main aspect of the site, or that's the whole reason why it exists, I would use a third party website. And like I said, we'll cover that in a future video.